Today's recipe is not my choice. It's Sia's birthday and I asked her what she would like to have for her birthday meal. And I thought she'll either say rajma rice, which is a favorite, or pav bhaji. But she asked for Chinese, some noodles, some kind of gyozas and some Manchurian, very Indian style Chinese. So I was very excited because I love it. So I'm making a simple veg noodles, but I'm changing it up a little bit today. So watch the video and let me know your thoughts. Going to start with 3 garlic cloves and a bit of ginger. Going to peel and chop them up. That's the ginger and garlic done. Before I start the gas, I'm going to also chop up 1 onion. Going to start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. I'm also going to chop up half a cone cabbage. You can use any cabbage you like. So now the heat will stay on high. Add the ginger and garlic. Just a few seconds of that. Next, some red chilies. Next, the onions. Now cook for a couple of minutes until they soften up. Just as they soften up, I'm going to add the finely chopped cabbage. And as it kind of starts to wilt down, I'm going to add 1 thinly chopped up carrot and continue to cook. Also adding 1 green pepper. Just trying to balance the colors as well. So I've got a bit of orange, bit of green, some white, a bit of red from the chilies, and I love green peppers. And 1 last bit of spring onions. That's all the vegetables done. It smells incredible. When it comes to choosing the noodles, now usually I would use egg noodles medium, but yeah, you could use some thick rice noodles, you could use ready cooked thick udon noodles, but I was in the shops today and I found these special Canton super noodles and I've never used them, so I'm quite intrigued. And it's fried chop suey wheat noodles. So I really want to give this a go. So what I'm going to do is, it says add it to the vegetables, then add water and cook. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cook it separately in some boiling water and see how it goes. So I guess, you know, you see things in the market and the only way to try out new things is to try them out for the first time, and if it doesn't work, then you don't do it again and don't buy it again. So I've got some boiling water in here and I'm just gonna add these noodles. So I have soaked them for 5 minutes in boiling water, and actually I think, yep, they are pretty done. So I'm going to drain them. So there it is. I have put some cold water on top and I've used the whole packet of 450 grams. Now it's time to add the sauces. A tablespoon of chili garlic paste, any kind of chili sauce, a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a teaspoon of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. You can make it completely vegetarian by using mushroom sauce. Quarter teaspoon salt. You can adjust it later. Actually, I'm going to make it half a teaspoon. And also a good pinch of black pepper. And now all I have to do is mix. Then add the cooked noodles. I think I'm not going to add all of it because it's too much for the mixture. I'm going to do something else with the rest. Just going to mix it all up. I have to say that I am loving the texture of these noodles because they are so different to the egg noodles that I usually use. If you have used these noodles yourself before, if you have any feedback or any tips for me, then please leave in the comments below. I am actually, this is looking absolutely stunning. It smells amazing. Look at that. And I'm just going to plate this up really.
So the noodles are ready and I shot a video of me tasting it, which I've completely lost, so apologies for that. But they were delicious. A nice little hit of chili, and they were kind of very different to the egg noodles. They were more like spongy, and I served them with a lovely chicken Manchurian, and the recipe for that will be on the channel tomorrow, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And it went really well together. You can also find the veg Manchurian on the channel as well, but this combination was perfect.